We'll guide you through how to find Trello alternatives that suit your needs. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to your favorite search engine like Google. In the search bar, type Trello Alternatives and hit Enter. You'll see a list of articles and reviews that compare different project management tools. Click on a few of these links to get a feel for what's out there. Some popular alternatives include Asana, Monday.com, and ClickUp. These platforms offer unique features that might better fit your workflow or team collaboration needs. For example, Asana is great for larger teams looking for a more structured approach to task management. Monday.com provides a highly customizable interface that can adapt to various project types. ClickUp is known for its versatility, offering a variety of views like list, board, and calendar, all in one place. Take some time to read through the features, pricing, and user reviews of each alternative. This will help you make an informed decision based on what you value most, whether it's ease of use, integrations, or cost. You can also visit the official websites of these platforms to explore further. Most offer free trials or demos, so you can test them out before committing to a subscription. Testing these tools in a real-world scenario with your team can provide valuable insight into which one fits best. Remember to consider factors like the learning curve, customer support, and any specific features you might need, such as time tracking or automation. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.